Ripple to take over Swift. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocko here, and in today's video we're going to talk about XRP taking over Swift. So Brad Garlinghouse believes his company's technology will replace Swift. This is a massive claim, and this is not just any news that we're just reading out. He's actually made this claim on Bloomberg TV. He said that his company is able to gain customer at a faster rate relative to the market because financial firms are looking for faster, more modern technology than what is currently offered by Swift. So we know what Ripple is a startup company, and we own XRP, so Ripple and XRP are different. This is something that we need to be aware of. So Ripple, in terms of gaining greater access to cross-border payments firms, has been the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, or SWIFT. So traditionally, guys, we know Swift has been the main player. It's got the lion's share of the cross-border payments and remittance market, which Ripple or XRP is trying to get into. With Ripple able to substantially cut down transfer times and fees, can they take some customer away? Ripple XRP is working with the largest money transfer firms in the world, MoneyGram and Western, and they're also, guys, working with XRapids. So we as XRP investors want XRapid adoption, and this could be potentially a reality. While banks may continue to look to Swift for their cross-border transactions, CEO Garlinghouse believes his company offers a substantial advantage, and in the future it could take a big share. Again, I'm not saying they will take over Swift, but if they can keep delivering this technology, and adoption will happen. Think about it, guys. Change doesn't happen initially, but if you find out that there's a faster and a cheaper car and a better car than the car that you've got, over time you want to buy it. So this is what I'm trying to say. If Ripple and XRP can actually deliver it, yes, it can happen. And even as the company grows in developing nations such as Brazil and India, which are looking for cheap remittance services, Swift remains the Goliath of the competitor. I wanted to read this bit because XRP Ripple could start off being a bit bigger in those emerging countries and then make it big in the Western world. So let's read out some quotes of what he said. The technologies that banks use today that Swift developed decades ago really hasn't evolved or kept up with the market. Swift had said not that long ago that they didn't see blockchain as a solution to correspondent banking. We've got well over 100 of their customers saying they disagree. What we are doing and executing on a day-by-day basis is in fact taking over Swift. So again, this is a massive claim, guys, but if Swift doesn't make the changes, they might get fallen behind. They need to make sure that they're doing and developing the technology. We all know if you don't develop and get cocky like BlackBerry, we know if a new company comes in town with a better product, you might get out of business. And this has been covered by a few different media outlets. So Garlinghouse says there are opportunities for Swift partnership, but now is the time to take over. Some of the largest Swift enabled banks in the world are now using Ripple's technology. So this is big news, guys. This is massive news, and this is a quote, guys. Strictly rumors. There's lots of rumors, and I'm hesitant to comment on any rumors, because if you comment on false rumors, then you have to comment on true rumors, so you just avoid them all. This is a great comment by Garlinghouse. I think what we're doing, and he talked about some of the articles, some of the bits that I read earlier as well. I'll do my own technical analysis near the end, but it's important to read what other people are doing as well. After breaking out of the contracting triangle shown on the hour chart, Ripple is on a roll, hammering on the immediate resistance hurdle at 0.53 cents. Likewise, bulls have their eyes on 55 cents and further upward to 60 cents. The signals are positive at the moment, with RSI pointing north and MACD on the same chart. I'll do my own analysis, so he's got a bullish stance. I'll talk about what I am looking for as well. So Ripple's price spike after CEO calls for global framework and bashes Bitcoin. I wanted to just show you this article. So this is not just been covered by smaller media outlets. It's been covered by guys Forbes as well, so it's a lot more trustworthy than just reading up about from a cryptocurrency website. So this is what he's got to say. What are your thoughts on it? If I had to give you my thoughts, yes, it can happen in the future, but it won't happen overnight. If you are a believer in Ripple XRP, this is not financial advice, but if you are a believer in Ripple XRP, yes, you can invest and buy some. So guys, my technical analysis, what have I got to say? So Ripple had that massive jump. I talked about when I got in and I made some decent profit. I've shared it on my YouTube channel and on Twitter. If you don't follow me on there, guys, make sure you follow me on there. And it has been quite good for me. So what I was looking for here was, guys, when it was kind of consolidating and people were saying it could go up or down, that is exactly what I said. The main price range I was looking for is this range. There's a lot of confluence around there, previous support, and I said if XRP can stay above this, I'll be bullish on XRP, and that is exactly what I've said. And as you can see, the CCI crossover, RSI started moving up, and we saw some good price increase. Now we're seeing a bullish crossover on the daily moving averages, guys, and it is following this trend line. So it could see some higher up range, but 50% level is a key level, so it could be resistance. We could see it kind of consolidate, move sideways, and then break out. If it can break above this and stay above this, I'd be looking at the 618 sort of level, and I'd be looking for it to go higher and higher. I'd probably say it would go to kind of this level. There's a Fibonacci level and also previous highs as well. So you can try and play short term, guys, but I've got a decent entry in XRP, so I'm hodling, if you want to say that. But if you haven't got in, this is probably not the best time to get in. Wait for a crossover, or wait for it to close above the 50% level, and we can expect XRP to I'd say head around that 55 cents level, but it needs to close above it, and it could see a decent price increase. Like I've said, it's about 5-6% trade, so it's a not bad trading again. But if you are a trader, guys, then do not try and day trade. What I will say is just invest and just dollar cost average and buy it as it goes down. If you are a big believer in XRP, if you think it's going to go up, do not try to day trade and lose money. I've been day trading for over 4 years. I know what I'm doing. But if you're new to day trading or trading, just buy a dollar cost average. So buy £200 here, £200 if it goes down, because you believe that it will go up. Again, this is not financial advice, do your own research, but if you believe in Ripple XRP, yes, you can buy it. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.